Have you ever scrolled through social media, watching other people take the types of trips that you can only dream of? Have you ever had travel dreams that turned into a nightmare because of the cost? Yeah, me too. All until I discovered travel hacking, and travel hacking changed everything. I often find that there are three kinds of people that are drawn to travel hacking. One, those who are travel starved. You want to get away, but you can't afford it. Two, those who are travel needy. You need a getaway, but not just any getaway, you need a refreshing getaway. Third, travel lovers. You love to travel and you want to do more of it. I've been all of those at different seasons in my life. And if one of those describes you, you're going to love travel hacking. I'm curious though, which traveler are you? Are you travel starved, travel needy, or a travel lover? You could even drop a comment in the video to let me know. Well, regardless of what your motivation is, travel hacking can help your travel dreams become a reality rather than a nightmare. If you identified as travel starved, you want to get away. And with travel hacking, you'll finally be able to do it. If you are travel needy, you need a refreshing getaway. And with travel hacking, you'll be able to get an incredible vacation without having to cut corners to cut cost. If you are a travel lover, you already love to travel. And with travel hacking, you'll be able to travel more often for less money. See, you can unlock the secrets of free travel through travel hacking, and I'd love to help you experience the freedom of free travel.